Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix MacBook Trackpad not working. So for this guys, first method, you restart your MacBook. So click on Apple icon and select this restart option. After this you can run. And the second method, clean your MacBook Trackpad. And the third method, update the Mac OS. So for this guys, click on Apple icon and click on system settings. And now here select the general option, and in the right side you will see here software update. Just select this option. Finally you can see here update now. So update is available. Click on update now and complete this process. After that, restart your Mac. The fourth method, turn off click and haptic feedback. So go to your Mac settings, scroll down, select here trackpad, and you will see here force click and haptic feedback. Turn off this option like this, and after this restart the device. The fifth method, once again go to your Mac settings and now select here accessibility, and the next select here pointer control and turn off this mouse keypad. Turn off this option and once again restart the Mac. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.